July 1st, 1863. Dawn breaks over the Pennsylvania countryside as 71,000...
They're about to clash with 93,000 Union soldiers dug in on the high ground. A battle that will leave 51,000 men dead, wounded, or missing. Lee's army will shatter, marking the beginning of the end for the Confederacy. But let's change one thing. Instead of Lee's army marching...
A single Abrams M1A2 SEPV main battle tank. Well, the M1A2 Abrams is 67 tons of pure terror. It's powered by a 1500... And let's see what the rolling apocalypse brought to the party. 1. 120mm smoothbore cannon that can fire up...
And if this wasn't enough, it's got thermal imaging that can spot heat signatures through smoke, laser rangefinders, and a ballistic computer. These are veteran troops who have survived Bull Run and Antietam and Fredericksburg. Battle-hardened soldiers who know how to fight. They've perfected the art of 19th century warfare, but here's the problem. These weapons were designed to fight other humans, not war machines.
Subscribe to Two Brain Cells. If you want to see what happens when a modern destroyer faces off against the Japanese Navy at Midway, check out the video on your screen.
With Gettysburg secured, Lee's army wasted no time. The road to Washington, D.C. lay open, and this time,
In Washington, the Union leadership knew the fight was over. The Iron Devil had rendered all their defenses obsolete, and their armies shattered. Days later, the Iron Devil arrived, its turbine engine a harbinger of doom, its presence making any resistance futile. Washington, D.C. fell almost without a fight. The modern tank, an unstoppable force, guaranteed the Confederate flag would soon fly over the capital. With Washington fallen, the Union had no choice but to surrender. The war, which could have lasted for years, was concluded in a matter of weeks. The Confederacy had won. Robert E. Lee, once facing inevitable defeat, now stood as the architect of a new nation. The political landscape of North America was forever altered. A new Confederate States of America, born from modern...
just one machine, from another time, had transformed years of bloodshed into a matter of weeks.
The Iron Devil of Gettysburg would become a cornerstone of Confederate mythology, its yellow armor a symbol of their unexpected triumph. And so, the greatest conflict on American soil ended not with a whimper, but with the roar of a turbine. What if other moments in history had a single, modern twist? And so, a single tank reshaped a nation. But what other pivotal moments could have changed with